What's the meaning of Cranwell? Cranwell. Cranwell.
Cranwell. Cranwell. Cranwell is a place name that originates from the Old English language, meaning spring where cranes gather. It is also the name of several places in England, including an RAF station and a village in Lincolnshire. The village of Cranwell is known for its historic church and connections to the Royal Air Force, which has had an airbase there since 1916. Overall, Cranwell refers to a location with a long history and cultural significance, particularly in relation to aviation and military history.